The SLP cryptocurrency, or Smooth Love Potion, is first and foremost an element of a game built on another blockchain. What makes it special though is that it is listed on exchanges separately, which allows us to analyze and trade it for a profit. And I think right now there are huge opportunities for it, and that's why I will show you a simple yet detailed price prediction. So welcome back. Let's get right into this technical analysis. I want to give a quick disclaimer. This is purely a technical analysis, so not based on fundamentals. Fundamentals could fuck up this technical analysis quite a bit. Also, this is my analysis. You should always do your own analysis too, just to get confirmation. And having said that, let's get right into it. We are looking at the SLP against USDT on Binance. And first of all, I want to look at the daily, because this gives a very clear view that the price right now is actually at its lowest that it has ever been. It used to be at 0.4, now it is at 0.05. So would it go up right now? It would go times 8, which is quite a lot. The market cap is around 130 million, I think. And now let's get into the technical analysis, because to be honest, I think it's a great opportunity to buy right now, just at any point, because it is that low. I think the AXIE Infinity game, which this is coming from, is being played more than ever. I think its price rose about 20%. So I think this overall is a very great investment. But to be able to know if it is a great investment and if the price is doing what it should do, in my opinion, technically wise, I'm going to do a small price prediction. Right here you see some descending trend lines. This one was broken, and recently this one was broken too. You see that all of the EMAs are above it, but it's going to but it's the price, the candlesticks is moving near the EMAs, which means that the price is actually looking to go above them. And if they are above them, it is an uptrend, which we are looking for, because that would mean we would be able to get a lot of profit. So I have basically sketched out two scenarios for my price prediction of the price of SLP. The first one is that, let's take this one. That would mean that right now it would bounce on this trend line once more. It has bounced on it 3 times. It would bounce on this support trend line once more, and also the retest of this descending trend line, creating a fairly strong point. Also a small key level. So let's zoom in a little bit. It would bounce on top of this, then it would rise. Then the first resistance it will probably meet at this key level. I think at the top, where the EMA and the key level come together, after which it will create a small pullback. I don't think the small pullback will reach the trend line once more, but it definitely could. It could do this, but I think it would be more like this. After that, I think the price will continue to grow, and these arrows make it look like the price will grow very quickly, which I do not think. I mean, this movement could also happen somewhere here. So more of this, and then I'd have to drag everything along. Sorry. And I think the second resistance would be around the 200 EMA, but somewhere in this key level. Right now I've done it at the 0.0 key level, psychological key level, because I think that if the price breaks through this key level, there's a lot of bullish momentum. So it might just move all the way up here. Up here I think it will have a second small resistance, small pullback, somewhere around here maybe. Also, this could also go a little bit further, but also a little bit less far, but I think around here. And after that I think it will break through this key level, and it might have some difficulties, to be honest, in this level. But I think that if you have already bought right here, maybe right here, or maybe even right here, then if it goes through this key level, the future is just positive for this coin, both fundamentally if we are going to look at it, but also technically, because up here there is not as much resistance as there is right here. But then we also have the second scenario, which basically means that if it will break through this support trend line, which would not be too good, to be honest. I mean, we haven't had higher lows in quite a while, so now it's making higher lows. If it would break through that, that would not be as good. But what could happen is that a double bottom will come. So the price will bounce through this, but bounces on top of this key level right here. Then I do think there will be small resistance at the retest of the support trend line, after which it will retest off of maybe right here or maybe right here again, after which again, same as the first scenario, it will find resistance right here. This one will probably be a little lower because the EMA will go down a little, after which I think it could find support again at the support, so then it's a break retest technically again. And basically I think the same will happen as the first scenario, maybe a little bit more pullbacks, but that's just because when it breaks through here, the bullish momentum that is needed to get the price from this bottom is actually lost. So this bullish momentum to get the price from here in the first scenario is used in this initial price move. That's why I think in the second scenario, if it first goes to a double bottom structure, I think it needs some more time to go up. But still, overall, I think this, the future is very bullish for this cryptocurrency, and also for the game which it is based on. So if the game is played more, this cryptocurrency will be used more too, and will be bought more. It's just a simple equation of demand and supply. Having said that, I think I have explained my price prediction enough. If you have any questions about my style of analyzing, about this price prediction, about this price analysis, or any other things on my channel, please make sure to let me know down in the description, and I will make sure to answer it or comment back at it as soon as possible. As for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.